the Golden Retriever service dog in training. This is his first time into a restaurant with us. We are waiting for him to voluntarily offer a sit. When he does, Raymond marks it, but then uses the food to lure into the position that we actually want, which is the heel. So via something called the Bob Bailey rule, where you mark for behavior, which was the sit, but then reward in position, which is right there at the heel, we will get more sitting in the heel position offered to us voluntarily through time. Also, anytime he gives focus, Raymond is going to capture that with a mark, yes, and a food reward. So pretty soon we'll have a dog that sits right next to us and pays attention to us.
Hey, good dogs. Look at that. She really rose us.
You happy?
Yeah, it's great.
Show me Hunter, show me Hunter. You can reward him. He's so close. Good job, Hunter. Good job, Hunter. Good job, Hunter.